Sam, get your butt off the bed, and we are getting to school right now.
Okay, Mum, freaking fine.
Okay class, we will be doing some topic about cycling, so, this is our new topic, so I will explain. How will it be, first? So first, let's talk about cycling. One of you tell me, what is cycling? It's okay guys, that was just a test. Oh my god Sam, what are you so freaking sad off? Tell me right now, it better not be the fire alarm.
Well, I got a fright when the alarm came, and I don't know why, but I feel nervous, and I might cry a little. I don't know, don't get angry, I have not done anything wrong.
Oh my freaking god, Sam, it is just an alarm. How dare you be scared of a freaking alarm? It is just some freaking crappy noise. You are like teenager, that is 13 years old, not 4 years old. You cannot even grow up. Wow, just wow, get out of my class, and get to the head teacher's office, right now, you crybaby.
Oh my god, that kid is so bad. Is he in nursery, or what? He can't even take a freaking noise happily and peacefully. Wow, just wow, screw that nursery child.
I know, he sucks, I hate him too, he cannot even freaking handle a freaking noise, screw him, he is scared of tiny stupid noises.
Oh my freaking god, Sam, how freaking dare, get a fright, and looking so sad at me, because of a freaking fire alarm. It was just a freaking noise. You better not be scared of the fire alarm instead of the fire. You should be scared of the fire, not the freaking alarm. That is on the good side. The fire is on the bad side, so you should be afraid of the bad side. You are such a 4 years old. I cannot believe you. How freaking dare you, get a fright just because a noise came. It's just a noise. You should not even be crying because of it. You should not even suffer of a freaking noise, because of being so scared of a small damn noise. You were expelled from this school. I might unban you one day, but just now, I want you expelled, and I do not want to see you for a long time. Now go, get off my school right now, and I will call your parents about this. You crybaby who is scared of a freaking noise. Now go away, get lost and get off this building right now.
Oh my, oh my, oh my, freaking god, Sam, you are a 4 years old. I really don't want you to go back to nursery, but you were freaking afraid of a stupid fire alarm noise. How dare you be scared of the freaking fire alarm? I cannot believe you were scared of a freaking alarm. That is so it. You are so grounded for 50 years. Now go, get out, you cry baby. I will never feed you and give you fun for a really long time. Now get to your room, and I might make it bagged soon. Now go, freaking get out of here. Nobody loves you, because you are a scared baby of a freaking noise. Now go, get out, you person that cannot handle any freaking noise at all.
A